Model, 2019 Ford Transit Connect Trend 240L2 1.5 100PS EcoBlue fridge van. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 104,643. MOT, the 12th of June 2025. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 100 PSS 6IA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash, starts and drives brilliantly. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows, fully working fridge unit. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,875 plus VAT.